Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Sheets into Google Forms using Weavly AI. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser opens, click on the search bar and type Weavly AI. Then press Enter. From the search results, click on the Weavly AI website to open it. Once you're on the website, click on the Products option in the navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select AI Free Mini Tools. Now, scroll down to explore the available AI tools. Look for the Google Sheets to Google Forms tool and click on Learn More. Once the tool opens, copy the link to your Google Sheet and paste it into the provided field. After that, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds while Weavly AI converts your Google Sheet into a Google Form. Once the process is complete, your Google Form will be generated automatically and will be ready to use. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI and productivity tutorials.